I don't know if I'm going to share this or not yet, but I just want to show you like a typical morning workflow. This is just my analytics from Threads earlier today. This is my weekly recap and then my 30-day recap. I literally just spoke this into my AI, Gemini, and this is my output. And then I further refined it. And on my final version, I asked it to optimize with bullet points and talking points on the best version that I liked. Obviously, I made tweaks in between. And this is what I have. So I'm going to make a video that's intentional but quick. And while I'm doing it, I'm also creating this video in itself that's also intentional and quick, explaining how I'm doing that. So this would be a blueprint of something that I've learned that I'd now be able to create a document and show you the steps there. But also now I have the video to be able to attach to that, creating a stronger asset. So I could give you just a document teaching you. I could be an educator in that sense, or I could show you a video. I could give you a course. And in this way, I'm actually going to do both. I could actually now ask Gemini, hey, can you create 4 or 5 different worksheets to help go with this video that'll help educate people on XYZ. So it's just about the way you think about your next steps, what you need, and using AI more efficiently for your work. They basically could act as a assistant, not just a research helper, or not just a spell fix. There's a lot of different things you could do. You could create apps, you could create scripts that automate things. There's so much more you can do by learning about AI. Prompt engineering is important. Go online, go to YouTube, learn these things. They are important in the future, please. And get into personal branding, because trust will be important in the future because of how much information goes on in the world right now, in the palm of your hand. As soon as you wake up, you have more information in your hand than people had in a month span 20 years ago. So if you grasp your head around that, you could understand why it's hard to learn now, because of we're basically saturated by information, and within that information there's so much more misinformation than there is real quality information. And now with bots out there, it's even more saturated. So finding that real human connection that actually gives great philosophy and is well aligned is going to be very important in the future. Take what Tucker Carlson is doing. I think that's his fucking name, the right-wing media dude that got fired and is now on X. Basically his journalism, independent journalism, that's the key. Don't be like him. But you get what I'm saying, guys. Enough of a rant. We'll see if this gets posted. It is a pretty long video now. So have a good rest of your day, guys. Hope this helps.